Okay, so how are you doing? Welcome back. How are you doing?
Everything's fine, thank you. You?
I'm doing good as well. So yeah, we spoke some time ago, and then I just wanted you to kind of have a word, like let the people watching us know how your experience has been so far, and especially just wanting to introduce Mila to everybody here. This is Mila, everyone. And speaking about Mila, we spoke a few months ago, some time ago, when she was completely new to this field. She's from a completely non IT background, and then she has been able to transition successfully into the IT space as a data analyst. So I just wanted to understand, I wanted you to kind of share your experience and then go ahead and tell us how it has.
Yeah, of course. So honestly, it feels like unreal because I recently got a place as a data scientist. And if I go back like a year, I was completely lost. I'm from a not IT background. Migration was a different field. I had absolutely no idea about tech. So even in terms like IQL and Power BI, I felt kind of overwhelming to be honest. I knew I didn't want to continue my previous field, but I have no clarity what to do next. So I was just exploring, watching random videos, trying to understand different roles, but nothing really clicked. I tried learning from YouTube also, free resources and all, but things were not very clear. I remember learning Power BI once, but I got confused in between. And then one day I was just scrolling Insta and I saw a thing about data analysis program and I got curious, like, okay, let me see what is this. So I connected with Naman on the given number. I reached out and honestly was a turning point. Naman gave me really well, explained me everything step by step, give me a proper roadmap, like what to do, how to start, the initial guidance, gave me a lot of confidence. After joining Thinkcloudly, things completely changed for me. The learning was really structured, like what to learn first, then next, everything was connected. It was really good. And the best part, instructors were really super helpful. They didn't teach just theory, they explained things in a very simple and practical way. Whenever I had doubts, they were always there. So it never felt like learning alone. I always work on real time projects like creating dashboards and all during sessions. And honestly, I really enjoyed the live classes and helped me to understand how to a data analysis actually work in a real job. So yeah, that's how I learned data analysis.
All right, so were you intimidated by the course in the beginning? A little bit.
Yeah, yeah, a bit, yeah, because I'm coming from a financial background, so it was really different for me. But it was really good at the end. I really enjoyed it, and I got the job, so it's perfect.
Okay, that's good to hear. And transitioning into your work-life balance, how's it been so far?
Actually, it's been really good. I really find myself in this data analysis job instead of what I was doing before. So yeah, it's a perfect fit for me right now.
All right, amazing. And what about the interviews? Could you tell, well, before, how did the interviews go for you? Did you
Of
start
course.
getting calls, or how was it initially?
Actually, I was just applying, and getting a lot of rejection mails only. So at one point, I was like, maybe this is not for me, but I still didn't lose hope. I keep applying, and after some time, I started getting interview calls. But honestly, it was very scared. I was very scared. Like, I will be able to answer. What if I mess up? So many thoughts were coming on my mind. Then again, I connected with Abel, and he just told me to relax and give my best and really helped me to calm down. And then after the interview, I got a call and I got selected. So that's to my first proper attempt. And one thing I noticed, most of the questions were from the projects I did during the sessions. So that make a huge difference, I can say. Mock interviews would also help a lot. And finally, I cracked it. I got my first job as a data analyst, but honestly, the biggest change is not just the job, but I actually understood what I'm doing. I have clarity and I'm confident, I which I didn't have before. So it's really a good thing.
So I'm very proud of you, and congratulations. So I
Yeah.
hope that you continue to do well, and thank you so much for coming and doing this for us, because I think a lot of people, they need to hear such words of inspiration to kind of feel encouraged as well. So thank you so much, Mila, for being here. And then, yeah, I hope we get to stay in touch. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Oh yeah, thank you so much to you. It was really you really helped me. And if I'm as someone that's coming from a non IT background, I will recommend anyone that is feels stuck or confused, just try not to do it alone. You're gonna find the right people here with the right guidance, proper support, and good mentors. Things become so much easier. So yeah,
Definitely. Yeah.
thank you.
So, yeah, you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.